This video is to demonstrate creation of histogram, scatter and box plot using Python libraries. In order to ensure that we are able to give proper data visualization, we can go and utilize various different libraries from Python. Two important libraries that plays important role in building up visualizations are pandas and numpy. Both of them are used for manipulating the data and utilizing some plotting technique in order to plot it. In line number 8 and 9, we are importing these two essential libraries, and in line number 10, we are creating a data frame which contains multiple vectors. Then we have specified name of the columns like length, width, and species. Finally, we are trying to create a scatter plot. Fundamental objective of scatter plot is to show the data as a collection of points, where position of a point depends on its two-dimensional value. Let's go and run this program and see how actually scatter plot works. To do that, we will click on Run button in Spider. Once we'll click, we will get a plot where you will find various different data points which are plotted in form of points. For now, we'll clear the console. And we will also ensure that we are going to console. We'll right click and clear console to get the new console. Our next objective is to go and see how we can create a box plot. In order to create a box plot, which plays important role in helping us to define how well distributed data is in the data set, we can divide the data into various quartiles, and that can be represented using box plot. In line number 13, we have written df3, where we are generating random number to build the data frame instead of taking continuous values. We are specifying two columns to it, and we are using .com_sum function to modernize the data. In line number 14, we are defining an object called A, which is pointing to a series that gets generated after reading the length of df3. In other words, we are pre-populating df3 with A object. Finally, we will go and we'll plot df3. To plot df3, we can use plot function kind equal to box in order to ensure that we get box layout. We'll comment line number 10 and 11 in order to keep the plotting clean, and then we will execute it. Once you will execute, you'll find that you get box plot, which represents data in various quartiles. Now our objective is to go and create a histogram. Fundamental objective of histogram is to show the frequency on vertical axis